Hello, what I have here is, you can see, is watermelon peel. This is waste from watermelon. Humans have eaten the main part of the fruit itself. This is vegetable, watermelon vegetable. This is the waste, this is the peel from the vegetable. Right now in this particular content, I want to give you what this particular melon peel can do for you as a poultry and livestock farmer. Most poultry and livestock farmers throw this away, and after eating, they don't even know the usefulness of this, that this can help them in maximizing their profit, at the same time boosting the immune system of their poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time enhancing their productivity. Relax in this particular content. Let me guide you. This is watermelon peel. 1. Watermelon itself is very healthy. This watermelon is a superfood for poultry and livestock animals. So in this particular content, I will advise you to discover the power of watermelon peel in poultry farming. This is from trash to treasure. We are converting this watermelon peel, which is a waste, to livestock and poultry feed. We are also revolutionizing this watermelon peel into livestock production. The secret ingredients revealed in watermelon peel, the amazing benefits of watermelon peel in poultry and livestock animals. We are also discovering how to boost your poultry farm, both the efficiency and productivity, using watermelon peel for their health and for their well-being. How watermelon peel is useful in poultry farming, which is a must-know knowledge, must know for every poultry and livestock farmer. Relax. If this is the first time of coming across this particular channel, please tap that button now, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, so that anytime I release an interesting topic like this, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. At the same time, at the end of this particular topic, you know what you normally do. If you find the topic very interesting, please give it a thumb up. This is the only way you can encourage this family, and this is the only way you can encourage me to produce more content for you that will help you to enhance your profit and at the same time encourage you in your business. Let's go there. Watermelon peel. What are the usefulness in poultry and livestock animals? Watermelon peel is not a waste. We are going to convert it into useful feed ingredients in poultry and livestock animals. After watching this content, for any poultry farmer should search for watermelon peel wherever you see it. Gather them, and we're going to make use of them. Welcome to today's video on the remarkable benefits of watermelon peel in poultry and livestock farming. While watermelon is enjoyed for its juicy, refreshing flesh, the peel often discarded as waste. The peel holds significant nutritional and medicinal value for your animals. In this particular video, we're going to dive deep into the vitamin and mineral content, and at the same time medicinal benefit of watermelon peels and its application in poultry and livestock farming practices. Watermelon peel is very rich. It's a rich source of essential vitamins that enhance the health of your poultry and livestock animal. It contains a notable amount of vitamin C, which is crucial for boosting the immune system and promoting overall health of your poultry and livestock. Vitamin C also plays a role in collagen synthesis, aiding in the development of healthy skin and tissues. Additionally, watermelon peel provides vitamin B, B1, B6, and B12, which is very important for energy metabolism and proper growth. It has many minerals. Beyond vitamins, watermelon peel is packed with essential minerals that support various bodily functions. It contains significant amount of potassium, which helps maintain proper electrolyte balance and supports cardiovascular health in poultry and livestock. It has magnesium, which is another key mineral found in watermelon peel. It's involved in numerous biochemical reactions and at the same time help maintain muscle and nerve function. The peel also provides small amounts of calcium and phosphorus. These phosphorus and calcium, though they are very little, but they have very important function for bone development and strength. Watermelon peel is useful in medicinal aspect of poultry farming. Watermelon peel offers several medical benefits that can enhance the health of your livestock animals. It contains antioxidants such as lycopene and beta-carotene, which helps protect cells from oxidative stress and boost the immune response of your poultry and livestock animals. The peel also has a high water content, which can aid in hydration and support digestive health. Furthermore, the fiber in the watermelon peel promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation, contributing to overall gut function. Which particular poultry infection or diseases can watermelon peel handle or help you to manage? 1. The health issues or diseases in poultry that watermelon peel can help manage due to its nutritional and medicinal properties are: 1. Dehydration. The high water content in watermelon peel helps keep poultry hydrated always. If you use knife and slice this into smaller units, if you don't have the equipment, if you don't have any machine, do this and package it in a bowl and give to your poultry and livestock animals and see what will happen. See how they're going to rush it. This particular watermelon peel will hydrate them, especially during hot weather or period of heat stress, preventing dehydration. And that one is digestive health. The fiber in watermelon peel promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and at the same time can help alleviate digestive disorders in poultry and livestock animals. And you know that once the digestive system is functioning very well, they can easily consume enough food. And if they can consume enough food, they can at the same time convert it into flesh or egg, depending on the particular poultry breed you are rearing. And that one is immune system support. The antioxidants such as lycopene and beta-carotene in watermelon peel boost the immune system, help poultry fight off infections and diseases more effectively. Cardiovascular health. The potassium content in watermelon peel supports the cardiovascular health by maintaining proper electrolyte balance and reducing the risk of heart-related issues in poultry and livestock animals. Most especially those of you that are into broiler production, you always experience what we call cardiac arrest or heart failure in broiler. Most especially those are big broilers that have grown so fat that you are expecting to make huge amount of money from. Most of the times you just come back and see them gone. This is called heart failure or cardiac arrest in broiler production. And this watermelon peel can help you. If you have been experiencing sudden death, sudden mortality in your broiler production, please embrace this particular watermelon peel. It's going to help you. Muscle and nerve function. The magnesium in watermelon peel supports muscles and nerve function, helping to prevent conditions such as muscle cramps or weakness that can affect poultry mobility and overall health. Once they cannot move and they remain stable, the heavier ones will trample upon them and you have high mortality. This particular watermelon peel is going to help you to prevent such issues in your poultry and livestock production. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Right now you have gone far into this particular content. Like the video, give a thumb up, tap like. Do that right now. Activate the bell so that you personalize this particular channel Anytime I release an interesting topic like this one you are watching now, you will be among the first states that will get instant notification by this wonderful app. And at the same time, share this video to reach others. You don't keep this knowledge to yourself alone. This is the way you support this particular family. This is a global family for poultry and livestock farmers. Anywhere you are, you're a poultry or livestock farmer, or you have interest, or you have the zeal to go into the production, this particular channel is for you. Now, how to apply watermelon peel in poultry. Incorporating watermelon peel into your poultry farming practices is simple and effective. Start by thoroughly wash this peel very well. No matter the quantity you have gathered, it is a waste. You hardly buy it. Even if you buy it, then it is going to be little amount of money you pay to the sellers. Those that cut in pieces like this, they slice this and sell. They cut inside and throw this away. At the end, they pack it to the dustbin, and this will create environmental hazards. But right now, we are going to incorporate it into our poultry production, and at the same time, reducing that waste, keeping our environment very neat. By start thoroughly, wash thoroughly. The peel should be washed to remove any pesticide or any contamination. You can even chop the peel into smaller particles or blend it with a machine or a blender. This can be mixed directly with their feed, the regular feed you give to them on a daily basis, ensuring a balanced diet for your birds. Alternatively, you can dry the peel and grind it into powder, which can be sprinkled over the feed. It is important to introduce watermelon peel gradually to allow the animals or the poultry birds to adjust and monitor their response. Remember that once you make any changes in poultry feed, the birds are always at alert to monitor what you are up to. So they don't rush the feed. But peradventure they rush any feed you give to them, you know that that feed is highly nutritious. So you sun dry it and grind with a grinding machine. Use it to formulate feed. Don't worry, I'm going to give you feed formula using watermelon peel. If you need this, drop it on the comment section. Remind me on the comment section. And if you find any other topic that is necessary for you, please drop it in the comment section. I will develop the content for you. Right now, you serve this to your poultry and livestock birds. They monitor their health within 1 week. You are going to see outstanding results. Now, you can at the same time use this in their water. How do you do it? Wash very well. 5 of these is enough for 100 birds. 5. This is 2 here. 5 of this size is enough for 100 birds. After washing it, blend it very well. Squeeze out the juice and serve in their water. You can at the same time use it to brood their chicken right from day old. You are going to harvest that chicken. If it's broiler, within 5 weeks, you have almost 3 kg average of both the hen and the cock in them. You're going to get up to 5 kg, up to 3 kg in 5 weeks. If you use this, I've been using it and it has been working in my own farm. And I know that if you apply the same strategy and at the same time adopt the good biosecurity, you're going to get better results than me. Thank you for watching till the end. Please share this video, and I remain your humble servant. Till I come with another interesting topic loading very soon. Don't go too far. Share this video. Subscribe right now. Don't just watch. Subscribe and be a part of this family. Bye.